What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to break a line inside a cell in Google Sheet. Here you can see I have a line and I have pasted this line into this cell. So now I want to break line. First of all, I'm adjusting the column size, width, and then if you want to break the line from here, keep your mouse pointer here, then command plus enter or control plus enter, and then do this again and again. That's it. It's a very simple tricks to line break a line inside a cell in Google Sheet or Excel. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.